Hello, great people. This is J Fashion Academic. So, today's lessons, I'm going to show you how to cut your shoulder and your armhole. So, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. So, let's dive into business. So, first, the shoulder measurement that I'll be using is 14 and a half, or let's say 14.5. You can say 14 and a half. 14 and half or 14.5, anyhow you choose to call it. So now, this is my tape that I will be using. So 14 and a half, this is your 1, this is your 2, this is your 3, this is your 4, this is your 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now this is your 14 and a half. This is 14, this is 14 and a half. So now I'm going to take the tip of your tape, put it here like this, like this. So you see, give us 7 1/4. 7 1/4. So 14 and a half divided by 2 is 7 1/4. So here you are going to place your 7 1/4. This is the, from here you're going to put it 7 1/4. Then you are going to mark. You see, this is 7 1/4. Then you are going to add ½ inch. So the purpose of adding this ½ inch is your sewing allowance. So you see, so now when you add that ½ inch, it gives us 7 3/4. You see, so from this 7 1/4 to this is half. So from here is half. So that's 7 3/4. This is 7 1/4, 7 and a half, 7 3/4, and 8 inches. So 14 divided by 2 is 7 1/4 plus ½ inch. It gives us 7 3/4. So now place it 7 3/4. Then you mark. So now, before you cut your shoulder, you have to measure 1.5 inches for your shoulder slant. So I've already cut it already. So now, after cutting the 1.5 shoulder slant, then you measure your shoulder. That's 14.5 divided by 2 plus ½ inch. Give us 17 3/4. So now, from here again, you are going to take out ½ inch. That's for the sewing allowance again here. ½ inch sewing allowance. Take it. So you are going to place your tape. That's 7 3/4. That's 7 1/4. That's the exact measurement you are going to use for the armhole. I'm going to mark my 7 1/4. Then I'm going to draw a straight line. Also here, I'll draw a straight line. draw a straight line. So you see, so from here, the half inch we took, so you are going to place your tape at the down, then you are going to mark 7 1/4. You see, then you make a straight line that side. So after that, so now we are going to take from here, you see here, we are going to take 1 inch. That's the armhole curve, 1 inch. Then you're going to use your hand, going to sketch it, and here also. Going to sketch it. You see, this is your armhole, then this is your shoulder. Are you getting me? From here to here is your shoulder measurement plus half inch. Then from after measuring here, you get your shoulder measurement. After shoulder slant, the shoulder measurement, then you go down by half inch. Then you mark the exact measurement you got from the shoulder. You come down 7 1/4. You mark, then you draw a straight line. After that, you mark half inch. That's the armhole curve. Armhole curve. You see, this is how I get it. So you see, this is how you get it. Perfectly okay. So now, this is how to get your shoulder measurement and your armhole measurement. So if you have any question, don't forget to drop any comments. Don't forget to drop it anywhere you find difficult. Don't forget to drop a comment. So this measurement that we did is for blouse. You can use it for blouse, you can use it for gown. Are you getting me? You can use it for blouse, you can use it for gown. So this is how to get your shoulder measurement and also your armhole measurement. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. So thank you for staying from the beginning to the end. So God bless us all and remain blessed. Thank you. I remain J Fashion Academic. Thank you.